Kia ora, I'm Damien.
And I'm Chanelle.
And together we're renovating a huge-ass woolshed.
We've been working on it for a few years now, going through each room, and finally...
We're going to work on Chanelle's art room. She's an amazing painter, and it'd be cool for her to have her own space.
Thanks. To start off the planning, we jumped onto Pinterest, grabbed some ideas. We normally in the woolshed go for dark and moody rooms. I thought I'll change it up and do something light.
Something that kept popping up was a heritage-looking timber slat idea. I had the idea of using fence palings.
We kept them rough sawn and we pinned them up around the whole entire art room, and it gave such a beautiful heritage kind of beachy vibe to it. Then we went over the fence palings with the Resene quick dry primer. Then we were ready to apply our first coat of paint.
We thought we'd shoot down and have a chat to the ladies at Resene to get some colour ideas. And I must say that Chanelle's choice with the Resene Double Parchment looked beautiful.
So the room was looking beautiful and light, but not quite light enough. So we scoured the internet on Facebook Marketplace and found some beautiful doors.
Had no idea what the heck we were doing. We figured just cut a massive hole in it and then we'll figure out the rest of it as we went.
But he did an awesome ass job. It worked out.
I figured it out.
Now we've got the paint on the walls, the door is installed, heaps of natural light. The last thing to do is to figure out what kind of complementary colours will go with that for all the timber features.
The ladies down at the Resene Colour Shop gave us a pretty cool idea for complementary colours.
The advice from the ladies was to go with the Resene Colourwood and Resene Bark.
Which I loved because it was dark and it suited the rest of our shed, so I was wrapped.
The only thing left to do is to get home, crack open the tin and start staining our modular shelf, our art desk and our record wall.
And our final step is to add the Resene Aquaclear to keep it all protected, keep the colours all nice and rich and beautiful. So even though we loved our ceiling, we thought we'd do something extra special.
So we headed down to our Resene Colour Shop and we found this beautiful leafy print from the collection Fashion for Walls and decided to put that up on our ceiling.
With our usual way, we just figured it out and it worked out bloody epic.
So our art room is officially complete and it looks amazing.
Somehow we made this awkward, weird space absolutely beautiful.
With the door installed, it brings in such beautiful light. The table restored just looks so beautiful. The new colour on it. The record wall, oh, it was a dream. It looks amazing having all the records up on the wall. It's so nice being able to sit in the art room, be able to look outside, enjoy the outdoors, but also have beautiful natural light for doing art.
I've even managed to surprise Chanelle with a hidden feature.
Oh, thanks, my love.
You're welcome.
That's so cool.
Super stoked with this room.
Now to chuck some tunes on and enjoy this art room.